Motorola recently launched the new Moto G. A lower mid-range device, so let me tell you its specifications and price, so you can get to know it. For now, it has been launched in India and probably in some nearby regions, but it will surely have a global expansion in the coming weeks. This device features a design with a synthetic leather back cover in magenta, blue, and green colors. One of the simplest features we will find in this device is its display, because it only has HD resolution. In this aspect, it could be considered as an entry-level device, although it has a 120Hz screen, which compensates in some ways. It is an IPS display that also comes protected with Gorilla Glass 3, just as Motorola had previously promised that all their other devices would come with some level of Gorilla Glass protection. The display has a peak brightness of 600 nits, so it is also simple in this aspect, and as a positive feature that many Motorola devices have, including this one, we find stereo sound with Dolby Atmos. It also has an IP rating for water and dust resistance, so it will withstand simple splashes. As for the camera, on the back we find the main 50-megapixel sensor, although Motorola doesn't even bother much to provide specifications for the secondary sensor, so let's consider it a useless decorative camera. It only has one camera on the back, and for selfies, we will find a 16-megapixel sensor. The device features a 5000 mAh battery and supports 18-watt fast charging. It also has the Snapdragon 6S Gen processor, a relatively new processor, although with the nomenclature that Qualcomm has been using lately, this S can be a bit confusing. It is not as advanced a processor as we might imagine. The device also has a headphone jack, Android 14, and Bluetooth 5.2, in addition to supporting 5G connectivity. It comes in versions with 4 or 8 GB of RAM, so the most basic edition in India has an announced price of 10,999 rupees, but remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there.